This is Eagle News America. I'm Anna Kui in Las Vegas. It is called Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome in children, or MISC. It is linked to COVID-19 and has infected more than 100 children in LA County. Eagle News correspondent Kathryne Fiesta is with us tonight with the details. Kathryne? Kathryne, tell us how serious this situation is.
Thank you, Anna. So with Los Angeles County recording over 1.2 million positive cases of COVID-19 since the beginning of the pandemic, plus a death count of over 22,000, again, because of coronavirus, the last thing that hard-hit LA needs is a threat of another health crisis. But according to the Public Health Department, a rise in a debilitating condition, this time targeting the very young, has begun to rear its ugly head. As said before, Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome in children, or MISC, has been linked with the dreaded coronavirus. In Los Angeles County, a reported 116 children were admitted to the hospital for the syndrome, with 41% of that number being sent to the ICU. Accounting for 29% of these cases are children younger than 5 years old. Another 43% are aged from 5 to 11 years old, while the remaining 28% of the patients are from the ages 12 to 20. The majority of sick children are Latino, who made up 75% of those with the syndrome. Now, as the name implies, inflammation is one of the symptoms that patients with the syndrome can suffer. This may include inflammation of parts of the body, such as the heart, lungs, kidneys, brain, skin, eyes, and gastrointestinal organs. The onset of persistent fever has also been known to occur with the syndrome. Parents and guardians who suspect their child may be sick should reach out to their healthcare provider or visit an urgent care center if they feel it appropriate. And of course, emergency services should be sought out for serious or severe situations. For families that do not have a healthcare provider, Los Angeles County wants them to dial 211 for assistance with accessing medical services. As one of the counties still in the purple tier and with hospitals pushed to their limits, the Director of Public Health, Dr. Barbara Ferrer, reminds the public that with warm spring weather on the way, people will undoubtedly want to be out and about. However, Dr. Ferrer asks that everyone still continue to do their part in maintaining good infection control by avoiding large gatherings, wearing face masks, and putting non-essential travel on hold. With these precautions, along with vaccination efforts, Los Angeles County is working towards returning residents to their jobs, their loved ones, and to a sense of normalcy. In Delano, California, Kathryne Fiesta, Eagle News. We live in interesting times. Back to you, Anna.
Thank you, Kathryne, for that update. Now, do you know of any child or children has succumbed to this syndrome there in LA County?
Unfortunately, Anna, as of the time this data was collected, one child death has been reported. So just like what we mentioned, it's important for parents to watch their children for any signs of the syndrome and to seek out medical help immediately. Anna?
Thank you, Kathryne, for your report. Stay safe out there.